We've all been in that situation where you have a long road trip ahead of you, you're going to be spending hours in the backseat of a car, and you know if you pull out your phone and start scrolling away, you're going to get motion sick in no time. Well, today I'm testing a device that's supposed to counter exactly that issue.
Holoride launched into the US market at CES 2023. It allows you to connect a HTC VIVE Flow headset to newer Audi cars via Bluetooth, and then offers a variety of games and experiences that mimic the motion of the car, allowing your backseat road trips to be motion sick free and entertainment filled.
So the big announcement for CES 2023 as far as Holoride is concerned is that it's no longer just limited to Audi cars. With the new retrofit, you can put this in any car and it will read the data from the puck in the windscreen and mimic the motion in the HTC VIVE Flow headset.
The games I tried were both on-rails shooters, but of course those rails are actually the roads that you're driving on.
So I can see here now that we've got a road going up ahead of us and one that turns off right. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
That's pretty amazing.
Each time you take off, every turn and every stop are all mimicked and replicated by the scenery in the game. But it's not just games on offer here.
So what I'm currently experiencing now is phone mirroring. So I have an entire virtual, very Tron-esque city all around me. All of that city is moving by me as the city outside, I'm sure, is mimicking that motion just like the games were earlier. But in front of me, I can see a giant version of my phone. Do anything I could do on my phone in this virtual space with this virtual world around me mimicking the real world to totally negate that motion sickness effect that you might get if you were staring at your phone in your lap for a long road journey. Incredible. So right now I'm in the advanced cinema mode. I'm watching a trailer for Avengers Endgame, and around me is a much more subdued, much more darker sort of virtual city than what I was in before. I've got options to increase the screen size. I've got options to have a curved display on my cinema screen instead of a flat one. And it just allows you to not have that motion sick feeling because all of the environment around you is following exactly what the car is doing while you're enjoying your movie. So the developers have told me as well that they're very brand agnostic, whether that comes to the car manufacturer or indeed the headset. This tech should work in any headset that runs Android, which is most of them, and so theoretically this tech could be coming to more headsets, hopefully very soon.
$799 will get you everything you need, including the HTC VIVE Flow headset, controller, retrofit system, and a 1-year subscription to Holoride content, which is being updated constantly.
So yes, this tech is very niche, but it's becoming less niche. You no longer need an Audi to run this stuff. With the retrofit, you can run it in any car you want. And yes, it's still kind of expensive, but if it comes to more headsets and you're already a Meta Quest user or any other headset, then all of a sudden that price drops again. And all of a sudden, you have a wide variety of VR entertainment mimicking a car's movement to totally negate motion sickness.
For me, the most interesting feature is mobile mirroring. Using the controller in this mode is a little tedious, and using the phone instead is tricky as you're never quite sure where your fingers are hovering over the screen until you commit with an input and inevitably miss your target. But this is a promising starting point for business people and power users on the go. It also opens up the potential for this system massively, from streaming Netflix to playing some of the year's best games on long-haul trips without the sickness settling in. And I'm really not above spending $800 just so I can be chauffeured around playing Vampire Survivor forever.
So that's the latest from Holoride here at CES 2023. We're doing a whole bunch of coverage across TikTok and YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to Tom's Guide wherever you can and head to the website for the latest updates from Vegas.